Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, back in the studio again with another video, and today I want to talk to you about foldable smartphones. I know they're not new, I know you've seen them on the channel, you've seen them all over the internet. These devices are starting to make a splash. These devices are starting to find where they belong within modern society, where they belong in our lives today. Foldable smartphones. What do you need it for? First thing that I want to go ahead and talk about with the foldable smartphones is the form factor, the portability, right? This device, specifically the Pixel Fold, is a little bit shorter of a device that we're traditionally used to seeing in Pixel devices or Pixel Pro devices, if you will. And when you open it up, it actually feels better in the hand holding this way. So you try to test it out. Feel where the sweet spot is for you. This device, this new form, this ability, this hinge, this crack in the middle is giving us all sorts of opportunities and things to do with our devices that we normally wouldn't have been able to do before, but now we can. So taking a look and taking a thought, what am I talking about? This thing changes its form. It goes from here to there, to there, to there. And it's just like, it's like a transformer. It's like where it meets the eye. These foldable phones do so many things. You can turn the camera on, flip it around, got a little selfie mode, and then you bend it a little bit and you turn it. What I like about it now is you can see the camera's there and the controls are there. So you can have your phone and you can easily select, right, different modes and timers, like boom, like super quick. Ooh, close-up selfie, ooh, 3 second, oh, 10 second, and it changes, so it knows the seconds you got to get your pose. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Portability on foldable smartphones means you have options. Before you get a phone, it's in one size. This is it, a candy bar. It's basically what we've been dealing with for the past 10 years. Candy bar phones. Past few years, we've had some new designs, some flips, some folds, some phablets, some note type devices, but nothing quite like this. The foldables are in a class on their own. You get many different options on how you want to use it, many different ways on how you want to transport it. You want to throw it in your bag as a tablet? Probably not. You want to fold it up, put it in your pocket, put it in your bag? Probably. But you got options. Before, you didn't. The other thing I want to talk about that I love on foldable phones is I always have a large screen with me everywhere I go. If I'm at a restaurant, if I'm in a bathroom and I'm doing some work and I open it up, if I'm watching a YouTube video, if I'm doing some tweeting, if I'm doing anything, I got a large phone with me with a giant screen everywhere I go. So I feel a lot of times if I go places and I'm waiting on work stuff to happen, I don't have to bring my iPad. I definitely don't need to bring my computer, right? That thing's heavy as heck. All I gotta do is grab this and I know I will have a screen large enough in my hand to do whatever I need. DocuSign, Adobe Sign, spreadsheets even, works phenomenal on foldable devices. Shockingly, Microsoft Excel works and feels really, really great on this device. I would show you, but all my data is sensitive, so I can't show you. So all of these things that we're talking about, all kind of somehow center around the fold, right? Everything we're talking about has to do with what the fold is bringing to the table. The fold brought us portability. The fold brought us a large screen. The fold also brings us a tremendous amount of flexibility. We can take our device, we can use it, we can set it up, we can make it take selfies for us, we can do video conferencing with it, we can do all sorts of stuff, and you can do it by yourself. You don't even have to have anybody with you. That's what I love about it. And it comes with all these different cameras that you can use. You got that camera, you've got those cameras, you even got a camera on the inside. I wouldn't recommend using it for anything amazing, but you can use it. That's the thing, flexibility to do more, to do whatever it is that you want to do. Probably one of the biggest reasons I think I'm really, really into foldable smartphones right now today is there's something new. It's different. It's not the same old candy bar that I've been carrying in my pocket forever. Now, my first foldable was the Samsung Z Fold 2. I didn't go to the first gen because I was a little scared about the first gen technology. But when it came to this, I said, you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm not going to be scared because I missed out on the Z Fold 1 and I didn't want to miss out on this one. So super glad I did. What I want to know from you guys is, what are you doing with your foldable smartphones? What are you doing with them today? How do you use them in your world, in your life, in your job, in your creativity, in your social life? I want to know what you do with your foldable smartphones. Guys, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, or you want to see more of me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget the thumbs up. And if you really want to show me the ultimate career compliment, share my content with your friends and family on social media. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.